The sky turned dark, the earth stood still, a silent story on a lonely hill, with crown of thorns and nails so deep, a promise made, a vow to keep. Oh, the sacrifice, so pure and grand, grace poured out for every land, a sea of mercy, a love so wide. In His shadow we now abide. Forgiveness fell from lips so kind, a path of hope for all mankind. He gave His life to set us free, a witness of love for all to see. In His shadow we now abide. We now abide.